I'm going to walk you guys through the process. This actually works. It's super insane. So just keep watching the video, guys, and I'm going to show you.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Roblox Headless, so keep watching and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, if you want to get the Roblox Headless totally for free, what you need to do, guys, is go to the search bar, and we're literally just going to type in zoomods.com, alright? So we're going to go over to Google, and we're going to go, this works on your phone, and we're just going to go to the search bar and type in zoomods, alright? So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to type in, I'm in a car, so it's hard, but zoomods. Alright, so anyways, guys, once you get onto the site, what we need to do is go to the search bar and type in Roblox, and then you can get Roblox Headless for free, guys. So let's just wait for this to load right here. As you guys can see, I'm on the worst connection known to man, so it's probably going to take a while. But basically, you can come up here and type in Roblox. And as you guys can see, it says Roblox mod, so just press on this, and there you go. So the Headless is very expensive. I encourage you to stay away from buying it because it's so expensive, but you can get it for free with this. And you don't even need to do Robux, so let me show you guys on the App Store how much Robux cost. So as you can see, guys, if we come over here and we go to in-app purchases, as you can see, guys, it is wild, and so do not involve yourself with this. It is not worth it, in my opinion, but my opinion is only worth so much. So, yeah. Hope you guys like my video, though. Be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out, because it actually is updated, and it works. So, yeah, super cool, guys. Yeah, there's no jailbreaking needed for this method or anything like that, so you're probably going to have a fun time with it. So, I hope you guys like the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. Hope you enjoyed it. And peace out.